Human evolution, out of Africa, multi-regional, and partial replacement hypotheses. Introduction to the three major models explaining the origin and dispersal of modern humans. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy. A study aligned with the UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Please watch this video until the end to know. 1. Book sources. 2. Discussion questions. Introduction. Understanding human evolution. Description. Human origins have been debated through various models. The three key hypotheses are: 1. Out of Africa model. 2. Multiregional hypothesis. 3. Partial replacement hypothesis. What is the out of Africa model? Description. Proposes that modern humans, Homo sapiens, evolved in Africa 200,000 years ago. Migrated out of Africa and replaced archaic human populations. Supported by genetic, fossil, and archaeological evidence. Evidence for out of Africa model. Description. 1. Genetic evidence, mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA, suggests a common ancestor in Africa. 2. Fossil evidence, oldest Homo sapiens fossils found in Africa, e.g., Homo Kaibish, Ethiopia. 3. Archaeological evidence, stone tools and cultural artifacts suggest African origins. Criticism of out of Africa model. Description. Ignores potential gene flow between modern and archaic humans. Some fossils outside Africa predate migration estimates. Does not fully explain regional variations in human traits. What is the multi-regional hypothesis? Description. Suggests that modern humans evolved simultaneously in different regions from local archaic populations. Continuous gene flow between populations prevented speciation. Emphasizes regional continuity of certain traits. Evidence for the multi-regional hypothesis. Description. 1. Fossil continuity. Skeletal traits of modern humans resemble archaic populations in the same region, e.g., Peking man in China. 2. Genetic data. Some DNA from archaic humans, e.g., Neanderthals, Denisovans, is found in modern humans. 3. Archaeological evidence. Tools and cultural artifacts show gradual evolution rather than replacement. Criticism of the multi-regional hypothesis. Description. Lack of strong genetic evidence for continuous regional evolution. Mitochondrial DNA suggests a single African origin. Does not fully explain the rapid expansion of Homo sapiens. What is the partial replacement hypothesis? Description. A compromise between out of Africa and multi-regional hypotheses. Modern humans originated in Africa but interbred with archaic humans outside Africa. Explains genetic similarities between modern and archaic humans. Evidence for partial replacement hypothesis. Description. 1. Genetic evidence. DNA analysis shows Neanderthal and Denisovan genes in non-African populations. 2. Fossil evidence. Hybrid fossils, e.g., Laga Velho child in Portugal, suggest interbreeding. 3. Archaeological evidence. Overlapping cultural artifacts suggest coexistence. Comparison of the three models. Model. Key idea. Evidence. Criticism. Out of Africa. Single African origin. mtDNA, fossils. Ignores interbreeding. Multi-regional. Regional evolution. Fossil continuity. Weak genetic support. Partial replacement. Hybrid model. Genetic, fossil. Needs more data. Fossil evidence from Africa. Description. Homo kaibish fossils, 195,000 years old. Herto fossils, 160,000 years old. Jebel Irhoud fossils, 300,000 years old. Fossil evidence from Asia and Europe. Description. China, Dolly skull, 200,000 years old. Europe, Neanderthals, 400,000 years ago. Denisovans, Siberia DNA evidence of interbreeding. Genetic evidence and ancient DNA. Description. Neanderthal DNA, 1 to 2% in modern non-Africans. Denisovan DNA, found in Melanesians. Supports partial replacement. Cultural and technological evidence. Description. Early tools, Acheulean, Mousterian, Aurignacian. Symbolic behavior, cave art, ornaments. Supports both out of Africa and interaction with archaic humans. Why is this debate important? Description. Helps understand human diversity. Explains genetic and cultural evolution. Shapes our view of human migration. Modern research and advances. Description. Ancient DNA research is ongoing. More fossil discoveries expected. Improved dating techniques. Summary. Out of Africa, modern humans replaced archaic populations. Multiregional, continuous evolution across regions. Partial replacement, out of Africa with interbreeding. Discussion questions. 1. Which model do you think has the strongest evidence? 2. How does ancient DNA research change our understanding of human evolution? 3. What are the implications of human interbreeding with archaic species? References and further reading. Books supporting the Out of Africa model. 1. Stringer, Chris and McKee, Robin, 1996. African Exodus, The Origins of Modern Humanity. Presents strong evidence supporting the Out of Africa model. 2. Can, Rebecca and Wilson, Alan, 1987. Mitochondrial DNA and Human Evolution. A key work based on mtDNA studies tracing modern human ancestry to Africa. Books supporting the multiregional hypothesis. 1. Wolpoff, Milford, 1999. Race and Human Evolution, A Fatal Attraction. A defense of the multiregional hypothesis, emphasizing continuous regional evolution. 2. Thorne, Allen and Wolpoff, Milford, 1992. Multiregional Evolution, The Fossil Evidence. Fossil-based arguments supporting regional continuity in human evolution. Books supporting the partial replacement hypothesis. 1. Reich, David, 2018. Who We Are and How We Got Here, Ancient DNA and the New Science of the Human Past. Discusses genetic evidence for interbreeding between modern humans and archaic populations. 2. Pabo, Svante, 2014. Neanderthal Man, In Search of Lost Genomes. Written by the scientist who sequenced the Neanderthal genome, providing evidence for gene flow. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology. Stay safe and connected.